This is our school, Azkartza.
Azkartza Claret is located in Leioa, municipality of Vizcaya, Basque Country.
It was officially opened in 1975. Since then, thousands of students have spent a whole childhood in the school, like us.
This is where all started. Here we made our first friends, while we learned to count and basic things about life, such as respect, solidarity, and love one another.
When we arrived to primary, we continue learning principal things like to be eco-friendly, equality or peace, thanks to the events that are organized annually.
At the same time, we had the opportunity to practice football, basketball, handball, judo, paddle, any kind of sport that help us to keep fit.
And this is the swimming pool.
It also helps us to keep with the food we have in the canteen. Although in a luxury restaurant, it helps us to keep standing the rest of the day.
After lunch, we can play or rest in the playground. We also have the choice to practice any extracurricular activity that we like, such as English, theater, piano, guitar, robotics, and it helps us to take our most imaginative side and learn new things.
Another thing that we like about Azkartza is how big it is and all the facilities it has. Because in addition to the sports center, which gives us the opportunity to do all the activities and all the sports that we have already mentioned, it has its own
infirmary, and also its own cafe.
Once in secondary, we need to start focusing on our studies. We also need to start making decisions about what we would like to study in the future. If we choose natural science, we might come to a laboratory. If we prefer technology, we might come to a computer room. Thanks to the equipment that Azkartza has, we can make the choice we want.
Finally, we end this story in high school, where we keep learning some other values based on more spiritual aspects like religion. We will never forget our childhood in Azkartza.